Uplifting motivational stories. The Cracked Pot. Long ago, in a quiet village nestled between green hills and flowing rivers, there lived an old water bearer. Every morning, he would walk to the stream, fill 2 large pots with water, hang them on a wooden yoke across his shoulders, and carry them back to his master's house. One of the pots was perfect, polished, shiny, and unblemished. The other pot had a deep crack running along its side. By the time the old man reached the house each day, the cracked pot had leaked out nearly half its water. This went on for 2 full years. The perfect pot was proud of its flawless performance, but the cracked pot felt ashamed. One day, at the stream, the cracked pot spoke to the water bearer. "I am sorry. I failed you. I spill water every day. I'm broken. I'm useless." The old man smiled kindly and said, "Tomorrow, as we walk back, I want you to look at the side of the path you're on." The next day, as the water bearer walked home, the cracked pot noticed something strange. Vibrant wildflowers blooming along its side of the trail. The perfect pot's side was dry and bare, but the cracked pot's side was filled with color and life. When they reached the house, the old man said, "Did you see the flowers? I planted seeds along your side of the path, and every day you watered them as we walked. For 2 years, I have picked those flowers to decorate my master's table. You may be cracked, but you are not broken. You are not useless. You are beautiful, just the way you are." The pot was silent. For the first time in 2 years, it didn't feel ashamed. It felt proud.